said, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both.
Alright, let's start this off. Okay, your sound gonna act completely weird because you're in the video now.
I don't know what fuck, I ain't looking at you.
Alright, hey guys, my name is Bicana. Welcome to my channel.
Yeah, bitch, shut the hell up.
Monica, you a hater. You need to quit. Everybody, say hi. Well, Monica, say hi to everybody.
Yo.
She's doing her hair on FaceTime. She looks completely ratchet right now, so we're not even gonna get into that. Like, she looks like the true Boo Boo the Clown.
Yo.
But anyways, today's video is gonna be just a little quick video on some tips and tricks that I've learned throughout my years of thrift shopping. And then it's gonna go to like the look up part where my music comes in, and it's looking like thrift shopping tips with a little music, and then we're right back at it. Okay, shut up, Monica.
I'm not saying nothing. I love this.
Anyway, now what you promoted? What you promoted? She gonna promote it mad hard just because her voice is in the video.
That's not a fact. I wouldn't be present in the video if I ever do promote it.
You're not gonna promote it?
Regardless, but still.
I was about to say, you're not gonna promote my video.
I'm fucking dead.
Anyways, Monica, you making me ramble. I didn't even get to tip number 1.
Right.
But anyways, tip number 1 that I would recommend is always go to the thrift store with a friend. If you're looking through something and your friend's looking through something, there's a better chance that you're gonna each find something that the other likes. Isn't that true, Monica?
Yes.
That is true, actually. Monica, I think, was the one who found me that yellow pants. Was it you that found me that yellow pants?
Nah, bitch, it was you yourself.
It was me myself?
Yeah. I think I found something else for you, but it wasn't me.
Yeah. Actually, Monica found something that she knew I would like, but she held on to. So, not every time go to the thrift store with your friends, because they fake and bougie sometimes.
Don't listen to her, y'all.
I hope they can hear you.
Listen to her, because she's a great person, but not for that tip.
Okay. Alright, so the next tip is look through everything. Look through every rack. Go to the kids section. Go to the little boys. Go to the grown-ass extra large men's side. Go to the friggin' belts and hats and jewelry section. Go everywhere. If you look through everything, that also maximizes your outcome of getting some totally, completely awesome finds. Monica can throw her 2 cents in at this one too. Actually, no, Monica does not go through everything. Monica sticks at one whole rack for like a whole 15 minutes. Like, girl, what are you doing?
No, I do not.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Listen, although I can fit into kid size, I don't go there. I ain't trying
You
to like
go to the kids side for the cute little boy crop tops. Like, hello.
I'm dead. Get out of here. Ain't
Like,
you a trip?
yeah,
That's
you.
tripping.
Nah, she's bugging. Tip number 3, try things on. So yeah, the thrift store is nasty. You don't know if the people washed it, the items in like 3-5 years. You don't know what type of bed bugs crawling through the clothes. I'm just kidding.
Oh my God.
I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. But always try stuff on. You can 1, go home and take a shower, and 2, you can wash the clothes too. So always try things on, because you never know. If you buy something that you think look really, really, really good, and then you take it home and you find out like you look like you're wearing a paper bag. No. It's not cute. It's not cute. And you don't want to waste your like $2 on something that you'll never wear. And then you'll most likely throw it out and then be, you know, involved in like the landfill with the clothes and all the extra jazz that thrift stores are against. So always try things on. You can take a shower. You can take a shower. You got water.
Facts.
You heard it first.
B.
Okay, what's another tip? What's another thing? I try to not go with a lot of bags and like a lot of extra stuff that I have to like, you know, always watch over, because that's not going to make your experience pleasant. Try to go with the amount of money you need in your pocket and your keys in your pocket. You need both your hands.
No less.
AKA no less than $10, honey.
Yep.
If you want to walk away with 5 items, go in there with $10 and you good.
Facts.
Alright, what's another tip? Oh, that was another tip in itself, girl. Go with $10 or more and you're good. What's another fact?
Let's see.
Fact? Tip. What's another tip? Can you think of any? All my tips are facts, though. Just kidding. That was.
Okay, word to me. Okay, heard of that.
Yo.
Let's see.
What's another one?
I don't know. You got more tips than I do.
Me?
Oh, girl, I found a really nice thrift store that I want to take you to.
Where?
Okay, it's our own secret. Don't tell nobody else. Although.
All right, Camry, you heard that. You can't hear it. Just kidding.
Seriously though, Alex put me on. So.
Musma?
No.
Oh, Alex. Okay,
Yeah.
His real name is Alex.
What? No. Yeah.
So
his real name is Alex. Yeah.
All right. Okay. What's some other tips, yo? I'm trying to think of some tips.
Besides some money. Besides
money. No, bringing extra stuff. Look through everything. Try on everything. What else? Go to more than one thrift stores.
Yes.
Go to more than one thrift stores. Like, listen, if you got the coins and you got the gas, go to more than one thrift stores. If you can find like 4 thrift stores in one day, I guarantee you're not gonna come home empty-handed, or I guarantee you're not gonna come home with just like 5 items. Like, go to as much thrift stores as you can. Another tip that most people, because I watch a lot of tip videos, save the receipts from the last time you went to the thrift store, because there's normally a $4 or $5 coupon off or 50% off, yada 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 yada. Like, you saving money, save your coins, right? Yeah. And coupons. If you have newspapers, they always have like, oh, Goodwill coupon, MBET's coupon, any type of thrift stores, they always have coupons. They always have discounts going on. Even though it's already cheap, you want to make sure you save your money. Right, Monica?
Exactly. Oh, and always wash your stuff after when you come from the thrift store.
You wash your clothes.
We don't do that dirty around here.
Yeah. Even though you tried it on and you went and took your own shower, you want to give the clothes a shower too. So yeah, make sure you wash the clothes after you buy it.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Because that's the easiest way to bring a lot of things into your space and into your household.
Yeah, you don't want to bring any.
And no funny. What? All that wearing somebody else's clothes, that you're taking on their energy. Okay, so you want to be cleansed. You want to be washed. They want to be washed. You know, you don't want that person negative. You don't know what happened before they donated that clothes. Okay, they might have got their homeboy might have gotten shot in that shirt. Their sister might have gotten ran over by a bike in them shorts. So before you do anything, wash your clothes so that you cannot bring forth that energy onto yourself, whether it's negative or positive. Amen.
On a lighter note, I hope nobody is getting killed in the clothes you find at the thrift store. But yeah, you want to make sure to wash the clothes after. Monica, you bugging, bro. Yo, she's talking about people dying in these clothes. Like, ain't nobody die in my clothes. They might have died, but their clothes was already in the drawer when they died. Like, shit, nobody ain't dying in my clothes. I'm not shit. You're right. Nobody died in my clothes. But yeah, Monica, that was deep. Anyways, this video is 8 minutes and 40 seconds long. You know what? And don't be afraid to buy jewelry or shoes at the thrift stores. Like, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that shows you how to clean thrift store shoes so you don't get that athlete's foot or nothing like that. And then jewelry, I disinfect it. Like, this earring that I have on is actually from the thrift store. Like, believe it or not. And you can easily, like, really get some strong disinfectants, like some hospital type sterilizing needles type before they sew you up type disinfectants, okay? And clean the earrings off, because, like, y'all can't tell me shit about these earrings. Like, look at that. And you expected me to leave it behind, like, what? Okay, can you focus? Like, those are cute. I like them. Yeah, don't be afraid to buy jewelry or shoes. You can always get it cleaned. Anything else, Monica, that don't involve death?
No.
All right.
No, that's all.
Yeah, well, that's all the tips I have to give you. Thanks for staying here with me and Monica listening to our shenanigans, even though she's the crazy one and I'm the sane one.
Yeah, let's not tell lies for your subscribers.
I love my subscribers. We ain't lying to you. Monica knows what's up. She knows what's up. Anyways, Monica, shush before I lock the computer screen down, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my other videos and like and subscribe if you want to see more of if you want to see Monica, if you want to see what she look like. Stay tuned for another video. But if you just want to hear her voice, that's cool too. I'm fine with that too.
Oh god. That's what I look like.
Alright. Bye guys, and make sure you go to your local thrift store with that coupon and with that open mind.
I can get them both. I don't want